Interest rates will likely remain on hold today as Michele Bullock chairs her first meeting of the Reserve Bank Board. Julia Bradley is live for us at the RBA in Sydney. Julia, the reprieve may not last too long though.
Well, that's the prediction, Ash. So while majority of economists are tipping that the cash rate will remain on hold today at 4.1%, there is the potential that we could see another rate hike before the end of the year. Now, there's a survey that's recently been done, a Reuters poll of 30 economists, and a slim majority of them, 17 out of 30, suggested that we could see the interest rate rise to 4.35% come December, or perhaps even higher. However, of the big four banks, it was only NAB predicting that this increase could come this year. So a lot of talk about the fact that there could be more price paying to come for mortgage holders. For now, though, it is widely tipped that interest rates will remain steady as the RBA board meets in about an hour's time.
It is a line ball call. There was a recent survey I saw on the weekend out of 42 economists. I think half expected no change for the rest of this year and half expected a rate hike or two. It's a bit line ball, as you say, but I think the risk is a little bit less than that. I wouldn't say 50% chance of another hike. I'd say 40% chance of another hike.
Australians we've spoken to today agree that there'll likely be a hold when the RBA board meets later today, but they are fearful of another rise before Christmas.
I hope they don't go up.
I think no, they're going to keep them on hold today. That's my impression.
Probably remains still pretty high because it's an expensive time of the year.
I hope it stays and they don't go up.
You own your own home?
I do. Yep.
And how are you coping with repayments?
Well, okay.
Anything that you have to do to kind of save extra?
I just have to go without.
The prediction of a further interest rate rise this year follows higher than expected inflation numbers for last month. This partly driven by things like a global surge in oil prices, also the fact that Australians are putting more on their credit cards to pay for rent and other essential services. Data by RBA shows that 1 in 5 Australian homeowners are experiencing mortgage stress. This evident by an increase in calls to the National Debt Helpline. Ash?
Julia Bradley, thank you for that.